Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo K13 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can use two applications at the same time with the help of split screen feature. Open the first application and then swipe up by using 3 fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. Whenever you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the corner to open any of these applications. There's a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from either side of the screen like this, and then it will bring all the application around your thumb. Select the application you want to use and then it will open it for you. There is also an easy way to open your control center and notification center from your locked screen. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this and then select notification and quick setting. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the blank area. Then it will open your notification center as well as your control center. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down. There you will see the option of power button. Click on this and then again select press and hold the power button. By default it has selected digital assistant. You have to select power menu. Now if you will long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. With the help of next feature, you will be able to cut out the background noise whenever you will be on voice calls. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then select sound and vibration. Scroll down, there you will see the option of clear voice. Click on this and then enable this, then it will filter out all the background noise while you are on a call. You can also monitor your real-time internet speed and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, select notification and quick settings, select status bar and then enable real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. If you want to increase the life of your phone's battery, then you can enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then select battery health. Then enable this smart charging feature. It will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed, then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. With the help of this feature, you can increase the lifespan of your phone's battery. When your phone is locked, you can use the volume down button to quickly turn on or off your flashlight. By default, this feature is disabled. To enable this, open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select gesture and motions. Enable this turn on or off torch with volume button. Now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you long press it again, then it will turn it off. This phone comes with a special feature just like a walkie-talkie, so if you don't have any network or mobile data, you can use this feature to talk to someone nearby. Open your settings, select mobile network. There you will see the option of BeaconLink. Click on this and then enable this. Firstly, you have to sign into your account to activate this. Then it will connect your smartphone with people around you with the help of Bluetooth. Then you can use this one just like a walkie-talkie when you don't have mobile data or any kind of mobile signal. This phone comes with always on display feature and really cool looking styles. Open your settings, select wallpaper and style, select always on display. Firstly, enable this. Here you have a lot of cool looking styles. You can select from any of these. You can further customize them. You can change the color of these. And after this, click on apply. Now whenever your phone will be locked, it will show that specific always on display on your locked screen. If you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system and updates. Select system navigation. From here you can change the order of these 3 buttons. If you want to set gesture navigation, then select gestures, click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. Firstly, enable double tap to lock and scroll down a little. There you will see the option of double tap to turn screen on or off. Also enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. You can clone any application or make dual of any application in this smartphone. Open your settings, select apps. There you will see the option of app cloner. Click on this and then select agree and continue. It will show the messenger application, and if you will click on other apps, then it will show almost every application that are clonable in your smartphone. Select the app you want to clone and then enable create app clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the clone of that application. As you can see in my app drawer, I have 2 drives now, and I can use this with 2 different accounts in the same smartphone. Just like Samsung's S series smartphone, you can use the circle to search feature in the smartphone as well. Simply tap and hold in the middle bottom like this, then it will enable this. You can circle the object or text, whatever you have on your screen, and it will directly search it to Google for you. So you can use this feature circle to search in the smartphone as well. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use the smart sidebar feature. By default, this feature is enabled. To open this, simply swipe to the left to this transparent bar. Then it will open your smart sidebar. Here a lot of options are there. You can see you can use file dock to temporarily save your images or other files. You can screenshot from here, you can screen record it. By default, it has some application. You can also edit this. You can remove unnecessary apps from here or add your favorite application. After this, click on done. Now if you will open any application from this, then it will open it in floating window. You can resize it from the corners like this. You can also drag and drop it anywhere. Now you can keep on using your smartphone. It will remain as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. And if you want to close this, then click on these 3 lines and then click on close. So with the help of this smart sidebar feature, you can multitask in your smartphone easily. This phone comes with a lot of cool looking offline themes as well. So if you don't have mobile data, then don't worry about this. You can use these offline themes. Open your settings, select wallpaper and styles. As you can see, here you have different options. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. It will take few seconds. After that, it will apply that specific theme. So you can use these to make your phone look really cool. You can hide your photos, videos, you can lock your application and hide your application as well, and you don't have to download any third party for any of these. Simply open your settings, select security and privacy, scroll down to the bottom. Here you have app lock, hide application and private safe to hide your photos and videos. If you want separate video for this, then please comment down. I will make separate videos for all these features. You can extract any image while scrolling your social media application. You can also extract any text from any caption of social media or any article. To do that, you have to enable the next feature. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience. There you will see the option of screen recognition. Click on this and then enable this. Click on agree and continue. Click on allow. Now you will see that option in your smart sidebar whenever you will scroll your social media application or use your browser, or you can use this as well after clicking screenshot. So you can extract images or text with the help of this screen recognition feature. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures, so you can control your smartphone whenever your phone will be locked. To enable this, open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions, and then select screen of gestures. You can use this one, draw an O to open camera. If you will enable this, then whenever your phone will be locked, you can simply draw an O, then it will directly open your camera application. Second one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. If you will enable this, then you can draw a V to turn on your flashlight and again draw a V to turn it off. You can also control your music player whenever your phone will be locked. Simply enable this, then you can play the next song by drawing this, play the previous song by playing this, and play and pause your music by drawing these 2 lines. You can also open your favorite application by drawing these letters and symbols. For example, enable this draw W, then click on this and then select open an app. Select your favorite application, And now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a W that will open that application for you. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next two features to protect your eyes. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark mode. If you enable this, then it will turn all the white colors that you have in your screen into blacks. As you can see, this will decrease the pressure on your eyes. The second one is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable eye comfort. As you can see, it will warm the color of your screen. This will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these two features if you use your phone at night a lot. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo K13 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one.